Hello, and welcome to the Gallery Digital Signage BrightShow Enterprise Media Portal demonstration of the Rapid Publication feature. Today I will be demonstrating the ease of use as it pertains to the Rapid Publication feature. This little button will quickly take you from content creation software to 1 or 1,000 of your BrightShow digital signs all across your environment in many different locations. When I click on this little green button, 1, 2, 3, it brings me to my Rapid Publication wizard and my first step. My first step is to select my template. My template is the orientation in which I've mounted my sign. For this demonstration, my sign is mounted horizontally. So I single click the template I'm looking for and I mouse over to the upper right hand side to the next button. Selecting next brings me to my playlist and second step. This is where I'm going to add my content. I'm going to simply select it, drag and drop it, and let's just say I want this to be in the front. I can move that there. This I want back here. Just say I want to remove something. You can hit the X button and delete it. Now between our 3 slides, we want to time it. We mouse over to each one of the slides and a little gear appears. Within that gear, you can change your duration. I'll change this to 4 seconds and I'll keep the question mark fade, which will select from any one of these at any random time. I'll do the same with the next picture. I'll put this one on for 5 seconds and I'll select digital and so on. Selecting Quick Preview will pop up a box which will show you what you've just done. When you're happy with the way it looks, select Save. When it says it's saved successfully, press OK, and then mouse up to the next button and select it. Upon selecting it, it brings us into our third and final step, Publish. I'm going to select my players on the bottom left-hand side here. I'm going to do both with one click. I want this to loop 24/7, 365 with no breaks. So I am going to make it run until the end of January 2018. And my publish strategy is additional overwrite. I'm going to overwrite, and what that means is anything on my media players, these two, will be overwritten with the playlist we've just created, therefore making this playlist looping 24/7, 365 until this expiration date on these 2 media players when I select OK. Let's say you don't want to use the looping feature. We have 2 scheduling options to help you with that. Mouse yourself over to play mode and select where you see looping and go down to schedule. When you select scheduled, it brings up date and by week. You still have to set an expiration. We'll keep ours till the end of 2018, which means this playlist will expire regardless of what our end and start dates are at that point. And it's self-explanatory: start date, start time, end time, or you could choose to run it 24 hours. And when you've completed setting that up, all you do is hit add. And you could do that as many times as you need. You could also select by week. So let's just say you want to run this on Monday. You want to run it on Monday from 8 a.m. and until lunchtime. But on Saturday and Sunday, you want to run it all day. It's no problem. Select that. You can add that. And it keeps going. You could do this as many times as you need for as many signs, as many dates. And now our publishing strategy, and this is something to pay key attention to. If we select overwrite, we're going to wipe out anything that we put on this player. So in our previous step, I had showed you we had put a looping presentation. We would wipe that looping presentation out. What we want to do here is we want to additionally add Monday, Sunday, and Saturday functionality with the things that we're looping from our previous step. So this is how we do that. We schedule it by week, set an expiration, choose our day, date, and time, our media players, and we simply click OK. And when we click OK, it will transfer through the network and down to all of the players that you've selected. Once that info is sent, you can close the screen by pressing the X on the upper right hand corner, which will take you back to the home screen. We hope this has been informative and helpful in your utilization of the Gallery digital signage system. Stay tuned for more hints, tips, and tricks and further tutorial videos. Thank you.